how to see deleted messages on Messenger. So if you want to see deleted messages on Messenger, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Messenger application at first. Or you can also go with your Facebook, open up your Facebook, go with the three horizontal lines which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings which is on the top. And from the top, you'll have account center, tap on it, and then go with your information and permissions. Go with export your information, and now tap on create export. Go with your Facebook, tap on export to device, go with notification email. You can also customize your information. So clear all of the options right here and only select messages. Clear all. And now you need to find messages, tap on it, and go with save. Now go with the date range. I'll select last week, go with save, and go with the format, the media quality, and start the export. Once you've started, within a few hours, you will have a file ready to download, and you'll be able to see the deleted messages on your Messenger on that file. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.